Hello and welcome. I'm Ray Upchurch and you are watching the Trey Heart Learning Channel. This is a portion of the Total Heart and Health Transformation series. Today we will be making oatmeal that has chocolate and blueberries. Stick around. So what's not to love about chocolate and blueberries? I know it's one of my favorite breakfasts that I make when I make porridge. It's usually the one I make. Sometimes I'll add nuts and stuff in it, but usually I'll just have chocolate, blueberries, and honey. So we're gonna look at the ingredients that are in it, and then we will show you how to make this. So this is it. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of chocolate, 1/2 cup heaped of oatmeal, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of blueberries, and of course a bowl that you can put into the microwave. I prefer the glass bowls myself. Don't like to deal with plastic if I can help it, but that's completely up to you. So. If you want to, you can put a tad bit of salt into this. I haven't been putting any salt in mine lately, but so you just put your milk and your oatmeal together, and you also put your blueberries in. Now mine are frozen blueberries. Then you'll set your microwave to 2 minutes 20 seconds. Once you have this out of the microwave, you're going to add your tablespoon of cocoa, or chocolate as it's known, and your 1 tablespoon of honey. Now you don't have to add honey. You can add a sweetener or sugar. I just prefer honey myself. I like the taste. And you mix it up. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I know I enjoyed making it. If you make this recipe, put a comment in the section below what you think. You might want to try, instead of doing the heaped teaspoon of the cocoa like I did, you might want to just even it out. I did find that actually I usually do even it out, and why I didn't for this video I do not know, but actually I found it tasted just a tad bit bitter for me, but it was okay. It is one of my favorite breakfasts after all, so I always enjoy making this. And I will see you next time on the Total Heart and Health Transformation. Remember, your health is your wealth. Bye for now.